Hey guys, how is it going? I'm Pritha. Welcome back to my channel. Today sharing my favorite cabbage recipe. Cabbage cooked with potato and without onion and garlic. So let's start today's recipe. I'm cooking in vegetable oil. I'll fry potato for some time. Fry in medium heat. If you do not eat or cannot eat potato, cook it without potato. Add cabbage. If not seasonal, then steam the cabbage for some time and strain the water. Mix it well. It is my all-time favorite cabbage recipe. And if you like eating vegetables without onion and garlic, you gotta try this recipe. It is delicious, trust me. Add some ginger, some tomato, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder. Mix it well. This recipe goes well with rice, roti, paratha and even with puffed rice. Try and let me know if you like it. Add little water if needed. Cook till the raw flavor of the spices is gone. Add water. Add salt. Add some sugar to taste. Mix it well. Add some ghee, some garam masala powder, a few green chilies for flavor. Cover it and cook in medium heat. Cook till you like the consistency. Hope you liked today's recipe. Check my other recipes as well, and if you like my way of cooking, do subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.